dapat marunong bumawi. Kasi mas masarap patawarin yung taong nagbabago kaysa sa tao na nagkamali na nga, nagsinungaling pa, na natili pang gago. Kapag i-bless tayo ni Lord, may mga pagsubok tayong dadaanan. Remember this, the greater the testing, the greater the blessing. Bakit parang umaangat ako pero mas dumadami ang kalaban ko? Tandaan nyo, the higher the level, the bigger the devils. Habang umaangat ka, dumadami rin yung challenges sa buhay mo. Pero ang maganda, stay positive and keep on going. Saints are also sinners who just kept on going. At sabihin nyo sa mga taong yan, kapatid! Magpatuloy ka!
Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Y'all feel a dream, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a